everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy pumpkin pie recipe. These are all the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe today, which is a can of evaporated milk, 2 eggs, ready-made pie crust, and all your measurements are going to be in the back of the can of this pumpkin pie mix. It's important that you get the mix that's already spiced for you. That means it has all the sugar, it has all the pumpkin spice in it already, and flavors that you're looking for in your pumpkin pie. If for some reason you're not able to get this one, it's totally okay to just buy a can and put your own spices in it. But today this is the one I'll be using because it's so much simpler, easier, not too sweet. Everything is just perfect, just right for this recipe. So take a look, and this is what we're using today in our pumpkin pie. Now this is a can. All we need to do is add the evaporated milk to this and eggs. You'll see how simple this is, and I have to tell you, it is so yummy. Now, in case you're trying to find this exact can of pumpkin pie mix, this one I picked up at our local Aldi store. And also, if you're not able to find it, just as I mentioned before, you'll have to just buy a regular can and put your own spices in. So just scoop everything out in your evap milk and your eggs that is already waiting, and you're going to incorporate everything. And that's it. Just mix it around until everything is nicely incorporated. Just like this. I don't think you could have it any easier than this. This is just the fastest, simplest way of how to make pumpkin pie. And you're all done. Now, after this, all you need to do now is to pour it inside of your ready-made pie crust. The pie crust you could pick up in your freezer aisle of your local grocery store. And it's important, just keep this frozen. Once you have your pie crust and you're going to bake this pie, do not remove it from your freezer until you're ready to make the pie, because it should be frozen once you're doing this recipe. So as soon as you're ready to make it, that's when you take it from the freezer. It doesn't need to be defrosted. And there we go. Now on the back of this can, it tells me how long I need to bake it. It tells me what my temperature is, which was 350 degrees. Now it's also important to put it on a cookie sheet, because this can actually bubble over in your oven. And it makes for a simpler cleanup. Now take a look at the pie. Wow, isn't that fantastic? So simple, few ingredients. It cannot be any easier. I make this every year, and every time I make it, it never fails. Try it and let me know how it turns out for you. Now, make sure to make your pumpkin pie rest a little. Let it rest for at least, I would say 20 minutes, possibly 30 minutes. Let it cool down, because it cuts easier. If you're gonna cut it as soon as it gets out of oven, it may fall apart because it's not completely set, because it's so soft. So it's important to let it cool down before you cut into it. Enjoy.